Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. If you are using Instagram and you want to archive or unarchive your Instagram post, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app, and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner, and here just select the post which you want to archive. So for example, I'm going to select this one. Just select the post and then tap on three dots in the top right, and here just select archive option. So once you have selected archive, your post will be archived. It will move to archive section. It will not available on your profile page or in your post section. So now if you want to get your post, so you just have to unarchive that. Now to do that, you have to tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then select archive option here. And here you just have to tap on this option and select post from here. Just select post archive. Select your post, tap on three dots, and here just select show on profile option, and it will be unarchived. So in this way you can easily archive and unarchive any Instagram post. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.